Okay, so I just got my Crystalac package in about 2 weeks. But it's here. These are pigments. So you can make your own color paint and whatnot. And then they also have these new inks. So that you can make your own ink color, which I think will be pretty fun. So there's 8 different colors. I guess black is number 8 and 1 is white. And then 7 and 6 are both brown. 5 is blue. 2 is red. Yellow. I guess it's 3. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, green is back here. So yeah. And then this is the little blush brush. It's for painting. And it's purple. It's my favorite. I think there's more in here though. Yeah, I got something called a surface conditioner. Yeah, we'll see. I've never really used it before I got it because it cleans in between sanding or after sanding and whatnot. It always comes pretty well packaged with all these squishy beans. And then this is, this is more, this is not Grand Finale. This is glitter glue. Don't know exactly what I'm going to use it for. I think to seal things, like not just the glitter, but some paint, I think. So make sure surface area is clean, prep, scuffed. Okay, squeeze out a line of glue. So you can use it to seal stuff, and you can add on goodness gracious, you can add on paint over top of it or something. It was something, I don't know. I'll figure it out. I can't remember right now. And then I ordered some more Grand Finale. This is the size I should have ordered in the first place. I got a big bottle of it. I don't dislike it, but it does bubble a lot, which I don't like. But I wish that the bright tone came in something like this instead of in that tub that's nearly impossible to open. So, yeah. I think that's it. At least I didn't order anything else. So, yeah. That's it. Just packaging left. And then they come with customizable. Oh, this tells you how to use the thingies. The pigments, which is nice. And then just information about the company and their products. That's all.